Hey there, this is Watch J, and today we've got the Hublot Big Bang Unico Golf, or should we just say the ultimate mechanical golf watch? No joking, both uniconventional complications inside are dedicated to the game. The yellow pusher counts the shots, and the white pusher counts 18 holes. All current stats are shown via T-colored coded windows at 9 and 3. There is also the overall score at 6. The 45mm case is made of two different types of carbon fiber, while the dial has a trademark open-worked Unico design. Beating inside is a self-winding Unico movement with 72 hours of power reserve. The piece comes on a black rubber strap with white cuff leather. And by the way, the watch is water resistant up to 100 meters, just in case you send the ball into the nearest pond and feel adventurous enough to go fetch it. Find more on watchj.com.